Indirect structured में questions are predetermined, but the purpose is not revealed. Okay, but indirect unstructured में neither are the questions predetermined, right? So, neither are the questions predetermined, nor is the purpose revealed. Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Neither are the questions predetermined, nor is the purpose revealed. Purpose revealed. Respondent. Okay. Now, apart from that, there are other types of interviews, which are focus group interview. Focus group interview, right? What is this focus group interview? Where I select some 10 or 12 people and it's a group and I'm going to be interviewing. आपने टीवी में देखा होगा काफी रियलिटी शोज में, like you know, or let me put it this way, I'll give you a live example. Like I want to know students' perception of online education, where I'm going to involve some, say, 15 students of your class, and then I'm going to interview them, right? So everybody is going to talk here. Are you following? टीवी में सब आता है ना वैसे shows. Have you seen?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is what is a focus group, where you have a common background for all of these people. All these people, सब लोग का common background है. They are all students who are pursuing online education in online mode, right? And you have a common goal. You have some questions which you need to ask them. You need to know their opinion, right? So now if you see, they are all going to answer as per theirs, right? Either a directed manner, or सबको एक एक को पूछूंगी, या I'm going to say it is going to be in a relaxed manner, like सब लोग out of turn भी बात कर सकते हैं. Have you seen those kind of interviews? Have you seen those kind of interviews? More of a discussion kind होता है, right? Focused interview where you don't have a group, you're only having some one person you're going to interview or two people you're going to interview. Politicians को interview करते हैं, देखा है आपने? Focused
Yes,
interview, right? Even a job interview is a focused interview, correct? Third person technique. Now, before I proceed, I want you to help me with two examples. One for focus group interview, focused interview. दोनों के लिए आप example सोच के मुझे बताओ. Quickly. See, when I ask you for an example of focus group interview, you can think of any group, clubbing people who have a common background. Like you told me celebrity interview for focused interview. I will say celebrities, calling for a group of celebrities and interviewing them as to what is their opinion on a certain thing, etc. Right? So that is again a focused interview. Olympic winners के group को interview करना, very good. Those people who participated in the this thing, Olympics can be interviewed. Suruchi has messaged that to me. Now, third person interview technique. Now, I'm going to ask a third person basically, like how is this? Say, for example, like how is your neighbor? देखो अभी क्या करते हैं, घर भाड़े में देते टाइम यू गिव सम रेफरेंसेस, और इवन सी एम्प्लॉयमेंट के टाइम दे आस्क यू फॉर रेफरेंसेस, करेक्ट? So students say, ma'am, can I give your name as reference? Then I get a call. They interview me. They ask, how is this candidate? How long have you known her or him? What are his strengths? What are his weaknesses? Okay. So you're interviewing a third person who's going to be a referee there. समझ में आ रहा है? Are you following?
yes, ma'am.
The depth interview. Now, in deep you are asking questions. Say investigation में, police investigation में in depth interview होता है. Whether it is the person concerned or you are going to ask third person, but in depth interview होता है. Are you following? Any doubts? Personal interview, where you're going to have the interview with the concerned person directly, right? 6, telephone interview. What is telephone interview? Over the phone you are interviewing. Are you all following? It is one of the cheapest methods, least
Yes, ma'am.
expensive methods. Sorry?
Yes, ma'am.
One of the very less expensive method or inexpensive method. Now talking about the next technique of data collection, observation, wherein you observe a phenomenon or a happening and then report. That is called as observation. आप observe करके report करते हैं, right? Now, types of observation, right? What are the types of observations? Number 1, causal and scientific. Scientific, wherein you systematically observe what is happening with the experiment. Like for example, आपने थोड़े बहुत compounds को मिलाया है and you observe what is its reaction on each other. Like we all, I mean, बचपन में हम पढ़ते थे some, I think acid turns litmus paper red. तो acid में dip करके observe करते हो, correct? Yeah, we see like when milk is added to, I mean, curd is added to milk, the milk also turns into curd. वो ऑब्जर्व करते हो करके रख के, बराबर? That is scientific observation. When I say causal, this causes that. So I'm going to say I would say ventilation causes freshness in people. Yeah, ventilation increases the energy of people. So I'm going to observe that. Causal observation. Even your cooking is a causal observation. समझ में आ रहा है? Are you following?
Ma'am, repeat.
See, causal observation is this causes that. Rainfall causes crop growth. ठीक है? तो जब rainfall पड़ती है, उसका crop growth होता है, right? Crop growth कैसे हुआ? Because of the rainfall. You are observing that causal observation. Whereas scientific में क्या है कि you mix some compounds, right? Like we used to learn in school days and all, like say lime water turns milky when you shake it, and there is carbon dioxide mixed or whatever, I don't remember exactly, right? So you observe those things scientifically, right? Now, simple and systematic observation, right? Simple मतलब जैसे देखते हो ऑब्जर्व करते हो. सिस्टमैटिक बोला तो इसके बाद क्या हो रहा है, उसके बाद क्या हो रहा है, आप टाइम लेके बैठते हो. समझ में आ रहा है? Like when I observe you in the class, it is a simple observation. You're not paying attention, you're not sitting. But systematically I'm going to sit and observe. 1 घंटे का लेक्चर है, शुरू में आप कैसे थे, बीच में आप कैसे हैं, did I give a break, I didn't give a break, all these things are observed in a systematic way. Are you following? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Subjective and objective. Subjective observation is you psychological studies में subjective रहता है, right? Objective scientific experiments में रहता है, इतने quantity में ये डाला तो वो ऐसे हो गया etc. Right? That is objective. Subjective क्या होता है psychology में, ये ऐसे हुआ तो कैसे behave कर रहा है. So you don't have a predefined set of reactions that the respondent is going to show in subjective. समझ में आ रहा है? Following? No. Supposing I tell you I deliver extra lectures, right? and then observe your performance. ठीक है? Now extra lectures can impact you to answer more in the class. That is subjective. Extra lectures can help you score better. That is objective. समझ में आ रहा है? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So दोनों में फर्क है. So that is what I want to tell you now. Then behavioral and non-behavioral. So when there is a phenomenon, I'll write one or two more and then we will see each of them. Right. Factual and inferential. Direct, indirect. So now when we see behavioral traits, like for example, we say, I'm going to observe a child, right? In case I say no, what is going to happen? I say no chocolates for the day. So how is he behaving, right? Is he creating a fuss? Is he crying, etc., right? How is his behavior impacted? When I talk about non-behavioral, I'm going to see without the chocolate, what is he doing? मतलब उसको chocolate खाने की आदत है. Is he like craving for it? All those are craving in the sense अंदर से कुछ reaction हो रहा है क्या उसका? That is called as non-behavioral, right? Like physical condition को observe करती हूँ मैं उसका, and then I conclude. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I talk about, I'm going to talk about subjective and objective. ये हो गया ना, factual and inferential. I'm going to observe all the facts. Factual में, ठीक है? बच्चा कैसे behave कर रहा था? When I said there are no rewards for your achievement, तो वो कैसे सुबह से कैसे behave कर रहा था? Inferential is conclusive. I'm going to say just because I said no chocolate, he has been fussy throughout the day. That is inferential. समझ में आ रहा है? Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Facts observe कर रही हूँ. यहाँ पे conclusively I am saying what is happening. Direct and indirect. See, directly I am observing the group. Like for example, I want to see how tribal life is or a particular phenomenon happening in a tribal area. तो मैं वहाँ पे जाके directly देख सकती हूँ. That is observe their behavior. Indirectly is through somebody I may request, like observe it, etc. Or I would say I would concentrate on what has happened, not directly on the phenomenon, but because of this it has happened. That kind of an observation can be made. Like for example, road accidents काफी होते हैं, right? I see at what speed people go, and then there is an accident. That is direct observation. Indirect में क्या होता है? I see there are road accidents happening, and then traffic lights not working, etc., or people crossing the road, etc. And then indirectly I observe it. How do I indirectly observe it here? Yes, I'm going to see the number of accidents per day, and then accordingly what could cause the accident, instead of directly sitting and observing there. समझ में आ रहा है? पहले केस में मैं वहीं पे बैठी थी, मैं देख रही थी, पर यहाँ पे मैंने फैक्ट्स उठा के देखा कि ऐसे ऐसे होने की वजह से हो रहा है. समझ में आ रहा है? आर यू फॉलोइंग?
Yes, ma'am.
मैं बच्चे को बोलती हूँ आज चॉकलेट नहीं, तो उसका क्या बिहेवियर है? दैट इज डायरेक्ट, राइट? मैंने बोला आज आपको रिवॉर्ड नहीं है, विल सी व्हाट कैन बी डन, एक्सेट्रा. आई ऑब्जर्व हिम थ्रू आउट एंड देन आई फील इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ही हैज बिहेव्ड लाइक दिस. समझ में आ रहा है दोनों के फर्क? अंडरस्टूड? बैक है सब्जेक्ट है, बट ऑब्जर्वेशन मेथड का एडवांटेज क्या है कि वहाँ पे इन्वेस्टिगेटर या रिसर्चर ना सामने देखता है क्या हो रहा है करके, राइट? बट द रिसर्चर कैन बी बायस. नंबर वन, वो अपने हिसाब से लिख सकता है. सेकेंडली, ही शुड बी ट्रेन्ड इनफ अभी देखो साइकोलॉजिस्ट होगा तो वो ट्रेन्ड इनफ रहना चाहिए, देन ओनली यू कैन मेक एन ऑब्जर्वेशन. मैं और तुम जाके बैठो तो यू विल नॉट अंडरस्टैंड एनीथिंग. समझ में आ रहा है? Any doubts so far? And also it is a time consuming process. Any doubts?
No, ma'am, no doubt.